Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is the third alternate card using elements from the December 2023 paper pumpkin kit. So I've got one of the card bases and I cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4. And when I did the first alternate card, this one, I'd actually cut 4 of these out. So I had one left over. So I'm going to reuse it here. So I've got a crushed curry card base. I've got this cut to 5 1/4 by 4. I used the Sending Smiles birthday wishes and the die to cut out birthday wishes for this one. I'm going to use the crushed curry, and I'm just going to lightly color a little bit of the top of the card just to bring in a little bit more of that kind of crushed curry, sunshiny sky kind of idea. So I just want to do that much, just that little bit. And then I'm going to flat mount this onto the card front. So a super simple card. If you don't have the blending brushes and the that you don't have to do the blending on it. You can just leave it as is. I'm going to dimensionalize the dandelions here. And then I'm going to need some mini dimensionals for the other piece. And I'm not going to add bling or anything to this one. I wanted to do a really super simple card, just some cardstock, and that, like I say, you don't have to do the blending if you don't want to, so that can go like that. And I just, like I said, I wanted to bring that kind of sunshiny feel into this, and I also wanted to separate the background in this piece from the background here so it just didn't blend all together. So I can move that out of the way now. And let's put some mini dimensionals on the back of the greeting. So like I say, super simple, super fresh, and really effective. The card bases that they provided in the kit are really gorgeous and lots of different ways to use them. So we're just going to put this down here. Just going to pop that, make sure I'm straight, and I am. And so there we go. Like I say, you could add some of this bling in if you want that came with the kit, or leave it plain. You could put some ribbon on, but that is a super simple take on one of the alternatives from the December 2023 paper pumpkin kit. So thank you for watching, and let's create together again soon.